fun and games. Nandu saw his brothers and sisters pulling each other's tails. He thought, I better not to go near them. What if they fall on me? I'm still small. He quietly went and stood near his mother. Okay? Because Nandu was only 3 months old baby. Isn't it? Though he was 200 kg weighing, but he was a baby only. Right? So he saw his brothers and sisters, throwing water, pulling each other's tail and all. But he was scared. He said, if I'll go and what if they fall on me, I'll get hurt, I'll get crushed. Okay, so he was standing near his mother only. Amma gently pushed Nandu towards the water, as if she was telling him to go and play. Okay, Nandu loved to play in water. His cousins were already there. Just as he reached near, a strong fountain of water fell on his head. He got wet. Oh, this was the work of his naughty cousin. Nandu joined them in the game. Okay, so what happened? Somebody from the water only splashed a lot of water from the trunk. And it happens now, okay, so you are throwing water on me, let me come inside the water and I'll throw water on you. So that's how he joined the water to play with them. Okay, children. So initially he was very scared to go inside. He was like, oh, my brothers and sisters, they are so big. What will happen if they fall over me? I will get crushed. Yeah. So he was not willing to go. But his mother gently, slowly pushed him towards the water, and suddenly what happens? A splash of water on his head, a fountain of water on his head. He got angry, and or you can say he went into the mood of playing with water. So suddenly he said, oh my God, you are the one who is throwing water on me. Let me come in the water, and quickly joined in the game. Okay. Before sunset, what is happening? Before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. Children, again I am telling you, what is a herd? Herd means a group of animals. Okay. When the animal moves in a group, they are called herd. So before sunset, the herd started back towards the jungle. By then, Nandu was very tired. Yeah, because they had to walk all the way to find the food. Then they found the food like trees and leaves and twigs. They ate, and then they had to search for the water. Then they found water and then drank water. Then they played a lot in the water, and then they had to come back. Okay, before the sunset, otherwise they'll forget the way, they won't be able to see it. But by then Nandu was so tired. He settled himself between his mother's front legs and fell asleep as he drank her milk. Okay, children, so he was a baby elephant. He was only 3 months old baby. So he got tired very soon. So between her mother's legs, he fell asleep as he drank her mother's milk. So now you have read what you have read. You have read about Nandu and the elephant herd. Okay, children. So now very important notes. You have to underline. This yellow box is really very important, children. Okay. So what you have to do? You have to underline. So take your pencil and start underlining. An elephant herd has mainly females and baby elephants. Okay, there is no male elephant, only females and baby elephants. The oldest female is the leader of the herd. Who was the oldest in this herd? Nanima. Okay, children. A herd may have 10 to 12 female elephants and young ones. Male elephants live in the herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. Male elephant lives in herd till they are 14 to 15 years old. So male elephants have to leave the herd as soon as they reached 14 to 15 years. Okay, and then they leave their herd and move around alone. Nandu will also leave his herd when he will be that old. So when he will be 14 to 15 years old, he has to leave the herd, children. Okay.